Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you. We are absolutely delighted to see so many familiar faces and well wishers here to celebrate Ananya Ramachandran Mohiniyattam Arangetram. I would like to say a few words about Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a classical Indian dance form originating from Kerala, known for its graceful, feminine movements and emphasis on subtle facial expressions. It's a dance traditionally performed, often telling the stories of love and devotion through expressive gesture and song. The dance form is characterized by its flowing and gentle emotions. மோகினியாட்டம் என்பது தென்னிந்திய மாநிலமான கேரளாவில் நடைபெறும் ஒரு பாரம்பரிய நடனமாகும். பரதநாட்டியம், கதகளி போன்ற நடன வகைகளில் தாக்கங்கள் மோகினியாட்டத்தில் காண கிடைக்கின்றன. மோகினி என்ற சொல் ஒரு அழகான பெண் என்றும், ஆட்டம் என்ற சொல் நடனம் என்றும் பொருள்படும். பார்க்கடலில் இருந்து தோன்றிய அமிர்தத்தை விநியோகிக்கும் மகாவிஷ்ணுவின் அவதாரமான மோகினியே இந்த நடனக்கலையின் பெயருக்கு மூல காரணமாகும். We are incredibly proud of Ananya's commitment to this beautiful art form. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to her guru, Kalamandalam Anjali, for her guidance, patience and mentorship. Thank you, madam. We are eternally grateful for her dedication to nurturing Ananya's talent. We would also like to thank our families for their unwavering support, encouragement and love, which has been invaluable throughout this process. We are truly fortunate to have such a supportive community around us. We hope you will enjoy the performance this evening as Ananya shares her passion for Mohiniyattam with all of you. May her grace dance transport you to a world of grace, rhythm and storytelling. Thank you all for being here to witness this special occasion. Let's start the program. Thank you.
We are starting this program with a Ganapati Stuti. Ganapati Stuti is a traditional invocatory piece performed at the beginning of a recital. This is an offering to Lord Ganesha to seek divine blessing for a smooth and successful recital. This item is set to Ragam Tilang Adithalam. On stage, Ananya Ramachandran.
Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Gajananam, Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Gajananam, Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Gajananam, Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Gajananam, Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara, Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Gajananam, Devar Munivar பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாச வரதனே மோதக பிரியனே கௌரி சுதனே ஆதிதேவன் உனதின் அருள் இல்லையே ஆதிதே